Alright, welcome back everybody. My name is Pratesh here with Kaizen Crypto, bringing you guys another video. So I hope you guys are all doing well and that you're having a great day. Today is March 5th of 2020. So what we are looking at here today, taking a look at Bitcoin. We've got a few pieces of news to take a look at as well. First off, Chainlink partnering with Chiliz to automatically mint tokens for teams like FC Barcelona. Also, we see recently in the news, Ernst & Young, Microsoft, and ConsenSys launch enterprise platform on the Ethereum mainnet. And lastly, we see here Willy Woo, on-chain technical analysis for Bitcoin, saying that 135k Bitcoin is not out of the question here in the coming bull cycle. So taking a look at all of that here in this video. Guys, if you do find some value, please be sure to hit that like button for me. It lets me know that you enjoyed it. If you guys are new to the channel and if you found some value, be sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button. I post cryptocurrency content like this. I want to keep you guys informed and up to date. Click that notification bell so you can get notified when I post a new video. So giving you guys first and foremost on my thoughts here, taking a look, this is Moon Math, the rainbow chart for Bitcoin. So guys, what we're looking at here, we can see historically that the price of Bitcoin over the long term has stayed within this logarithmic regression band, and we're right on track. As you guys know, we have the Bitcoin halving here in roughly 66 days. Guys, whoa, May 11th is when they're quoting the next Bitcoin halving. The block reward is going to be set to cut from 12.5 BTC to 6.25 per block. And what is this going to do, especially with a lot of things that we're seeing currently with the geopolitical situation, global financial markets? Time will tell. I'm going to keep you guys informed with all of that, giving you all my thoughts, perspective, and keeping you informed with all relevant news. But from what we can see here, if you were an investor in Bitcoin, when the price was here in this blue shaded area, taking a look at the rainbow regression, and if you were to have been a seller in the point in time where we were up and around this red to orange shaded area, you would do very well as a long-term investor. Now, where we stand currently, as you guys see here, we are in the blue shaded area currently. We're still right on schedule here. We're right on track, still in this blue band. Definitely respecting that lower band here for the log regression. But it's going to be very interesting to see where we end up here after the Bitcoin halving. Historically speaking, 12 to 18 months after the Bitcoin halving, we do experience a new all-time high. So just a few of my thoughts there regarding that. Taking a look at the first piece of news here, Chainlink partners with Chiliz to automatically mint tokens for teams like FC Barcelona. So Chainlink has been crushing the market lately. It's one of the top DeFi platforms that we see here on Ethereum. And Chainlink is focusing on Oracle solutions for blockchain. So essentially bringing in real world data to use in a blockchain database or blockchain application. So what we can see here from this article, according to an announcement from Chiliz, the platform plans to leverage Chainlink's capacity to trigger the execution of smart contracts based on real-world data and events. This feature will allow the minting of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, for partners in real time based on data securely provided by Chainlink's network. This integration will allow Chiliz to create NFTs that react to the real world and mint limited edition collectibles to commemorate real-time events. The company explains that, for instance, it would be possible to mint tokens when a soccer player scores a hat trick during a game. Could you imagine being able to tokenize your favorite athlete? I mean, like just being able to own part of... my dad's a huge Liverpool fan, Mo Salah. Could you imagine if he scores a goal and like there's that transaction on the blockchain represented by a non-fungible token? Like for those of you soccer players out there, you know what I'm talking about. It's a big deal. Anyway, the leading blockchain sports platform. So Chiliz is doing amazing things here with blockchain regarding sports, and they're definitely tackling many of these leagues here with soccer. So very cool. Partnering with Chainlink, we can see Chainlink has a huge list of partners that are going to be incorporating their Oracle solution to use blockchain for their application. So very cool to see that. Taking a look as well, next piece of news, Ernst & Young, Microsoft, and ConsenSys launch enterprise platform on the Ethereum mainnet. Okay, guys, this was a big piece of news, a very highly anticipated partnership. Essentially what this is going to be, so let's take a look at this article here. The protocol will support tokenization and decentralized financial services on its mainnet. Baseline integrations, zero-knowledge proofs, off-chain storage, and distributed identity to prevent corporate data, assets, or activities from being compromised. The platform will tokenize business outputs such as purchase orders and receivables and facilitate blockchain applications that link supply chain traceability with commerce and financial services. Baseline supports industry-wide tokenization standards and is intended to move enterprise activity from permissioned, distributed ledgers to a public blockchain network. Nice. Guys, what this is doing essentially, it's bringing in enterprise adoption for blockchain, and this is going to be on Ethereum. This is on the mainnet. And taking a look here, these are some of the big names with that. So Baseline was founded by Ernst & Young in partnership with Microsoft and ConsenSys, and was developed in collaboration with many companies operating in the cryptocurrency sector, including Chainlink, MakerDAO, Unibright, and AMD. So guys, Chainlink, I mean, first and foremost, Chainlink is just crushing it with the partnerships. But then if we take a look also at things like MakerDAO, decentralized finance. So you guys can see where the trend is heading here in terms of blockchain and enterprise adoption and whatnot. And Unibright is kind of facilitating all of that here as well. So Unibright also in the news. Taking a look at some Bitcoin news. So you guys know about Willy Woo. He is an on-chain analysis. And his opinion is very highly respected within the space. Taking a look at some of the things that he has pointed out here in this article, explaining in his conversation with Max Kaiser that the price of Bitcoin has a huge upside potential from where we stand currently. A quote from him, he's saying, you could go 35 times the cumulative average of the price, and that's actually picked every single top in the 10-year history of Bitcoin. Right now, that's sitting above $50,000, but it keeps climbing the longer it runs for. So yeah, that's very interesting to see. As these cycles get longer, the peaks typically tend to rise over time. However, the percentage gains do tend to decrease. So very interesting note. If you make a best guess, it's above 100,000. So that's what a lot of people are saying. I think one of the more common sense predictions would be around 135,000 based on the timing, cyclature, and the 35x of average cap, he continued. Okay, so yeah, I mean, guys, price point, as far as the Bitcoin price prediction for the next top in the next cycle, it's anybody's guess, but according to Willy Woo, we are going to be sitting very comfortably over 6 figures. So guys, I do hope that you found some value from this video here today. Bitcoin block reward halving in 66 days and counting. Guys, if you enjoyed this content here today, be sure to smash that like button for me on your way out. And if you guys did enjoy it, and if you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Until the next video, take care.